Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. How we doing? Pranam. Good to have you here. Let's get started on with the content. So, like the name suggests, I made the biggest purchase of my life, and it's been going on since Sunday. Finalized it today. It's crazy, and I'm happy. I'm happy about it, but I want to share it with you guys because we're gonna start vlogging everything that revolves around it. It's gonna be crazy. So without further ado, meet the newest member of my family. This car right here, 1973 Nissan Datsun 240Z. Now, a lot of people like this car. Obviously, you're gonna have people that don't really understand it and don't really care for it, but there are a lot of people that straight up love this classic car. And I hope to restore it to mint condition. We want to keep it as stock as possible just because it will retain value. But like I said, we have work to do. New tires, because these are just gone. That one has the biggest hole I've ever seen. Paint is messed up. Honestly, it's messed up. Good thing, there's only the 50,000 original miles on this car, so that's cool. It's been in garage for most of its life. This I'm not too worried about because I am not a fan of the color anyway, so we're gonna repaint it. Not a fan of the brown. Let's talk about the engine. The engine, it does not run. Unfortunately, it does not run. But that is okay. Why is that okay? Because, like I said, it's a project car. Not only that, but I actually have an engineer sob in the family. After all, I am Indian, so you got to have that engineer sob. So engineer sob loves cars. Happens to be my brother, loves cars. He happened to build his own Datsun, which actually inspired me to get this one. He built that one right there. This is a 1978 280Z. This is Datsun as well, but he turned it into something amazing. From honestly something that I thought was complete shit. So he did some amazing stuff. He did some amazing engineer jadoo, turned it into this beauty, and it inspired me. And I'm hoping that we can do the same with this. So Engineer Saab will work on this with me. Engineer Saab and other Engineer Saabs will be working with me. You will meet them all. They're really, really cool guys. We're just gonna be working on this, and it's gonna be fun. I want you guys here because I want to give you guys entertainment. Honestly, I know there are a lot of people that appreciate cars, but even if you don't appreciate cars, I mean, we're in Corona right now, and quite frankly, it's a tough year, and I think entertainment can really help people out in such times. So we're here, we're gonna be making vlogs, and I hope to just, provide entertainment. I want it to be a fun experience for everybody, not just us making it, but you guys watching it. And that being said, we're gonna be vlogging everything. And so this video right here was just an introduction to the car. I wanted you guys to check it out. That being said, I want you guys to comment and let me know what you think of it. What do you think about it? Initial thoughts. Was it a good purchase? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I want to know. I definitely want to know, and be honest. I want to know your opinion. And yeah, so next video, we're going to have a follow-up video where we just diagnose it. Yeah, we just look at it. We're just going to look at it, see what needs to be done. Initial stuff, initial first looks and whatnot. Clean it up. We're going to see what we can do, and then we're just going to get on with it. Lucky for us, like I said, the engine doesn't work, but lucky for us, it's the exact same engine as this car right here, just a little smaller. So, I mean, Engineer Saab knows this engine. He knows it. So that's something nice we have on our side. Gotta clean up the inside too, because, I mean, seats are messed up. I mean, that one's messed up. But yeah, I have a color in mind. I do not want to share it yet because that's going to be a surprise in its own. That will, it'll come to light on its own time. Overall, I'm excited to get on this with you guys. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun for everybody. So if you like cars, if you like Nissans, if you like Datsuns, or if you just like YouTube or YouTube videos, I want you to give this a subscription. All right, I want you to subscribe. I want you to comment, and I want you to turn on post notifications because we are going to be posting a lot. We're going to be posting a lot about this car, and honestly, you're going to learn stuff about me. We're going to learn stuff about this car together. And we're just gonna have fun. You're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. Everybody's gonna have fun. I honestly think that this is gonna be a pretty good job. I honestly think that since we have experience with that engine, we can get this running pretty fast, and then, you know, fix up some other stuff, fix up the interior, and hopefully send this to paint in a month or two, and then we will have it done. So I'm excited, hoping to make it half as good as that. I think we can. I definitely do, because I'm gonna be honest with you, that was in worse condition when we got that than this is right now. So this actually has minimal rust, a lot of surface rust, but again, just surface rust, nothing too bad, nothing really eating away at the body. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. This has been garage for years. It has the original 50,000 miles on it. I'm just excited. I'm excited to get on it with it. So yeah, like I said, give me a subscription, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications. We're going to be making some great content for you. I'm excited to get on with this. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited you're here. Let's get on with it.